Hello and welcome. Today we are going to deal with lifelines of national economy. Now India produces lots of goods. Now but these goods have to be transported from one place to the other. That's exactly what we are going to talk about as to how these goods are transported from one place to the other. Now if you have not already subscribed to the channel, do that and let's get started. Lifelines of national economy. First, let's look at land. Now, roadways are considered much easier to construct than the railways because the cost of construction is much less than putting a railway line. It's easily constructed. The roadways are used for the transportation of small quantity of goods. It has door-to-door service and it connects to other modes of transport. The roadways can be classified basically into 6 categories: golden quadrilateral superhighways, national highways, state highways, district roads, other roads and border roads. Let's look at the golden quadrilateral superhighways. It connects major important cities. It connects from Delhi to Kolkata, Kolkata to Chennai, Chennai to Mumbai and Mumbai to Delhi. And it is managed by National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI. Let's move on to the national highways. It connects extreme parts of the country and it is managed by Central Public Works Department, that is CPWD. Moving on to state highways. It connects the state capital to other districts and it is managed by Public Works Department, which is PWD. Let's look at the district roads. District roads connects different places in the district and it is managed by the Zilla Parishad. Other roads connect the rural areas to the urban areas and it is managed by Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. And finally, let's look at the border roads. The roads bordering the country are called as border roads and they are managed by Border Roads Organization, also called as BRO. Now, roadways can be classified into metalled roads and unmetalled roads. The metalled roads are made of cement and concrete and unmetalled roads are made of sand and soil. Let's understand what is density of roads. The length of road per 100 square kilometers of area is known as density of roads. I repeat that again. Length of roads per 100 square kilometers of area is known as density of roads. Density of road varies from one part to the other. In Jammu Kashmir, it's 10 kilometers. In Kerala, it's 375 plus kilometers. We are done with the roadways. Now, let's look at the railways. Railways are used to carry bulky goods and passengers. Now, Indian Railway network is over 65,000 plus kilometers. The problems which the railways nowadays are facing is passengers travel without tickets, which comes as a loss to the railways. The passengers also damage railway properties. Sometimes they even steal facilities provided by the railways, which comes as a big loss for the railways. Let's look at the pipelines. In olden days, pipelines were used for transportation of water. Now they are also used for transportation of crude oil, petroleum products and natural gas. There are 3 major pipelines in the country. The one which runs from Assam to Kanpur, Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab, and the third one from Gujarat to Uttar Pradesh. Let's move on to the waterways. The waterways is considered a cheap form of transportation. It is fuel efficient, eco-friendly and it is used for carrying bulky goods. There are three major waterways, one from Allahabad to Haldia, Sadia to Dhubri, and other areas in Kerala. Now 95% of our Indian trade happens through waterways. India has 12 major ports and 181 medium ports. Let's move on to Airways. It is the fastest, most comfortable and the prestigious form of transport. It covers difficult terrains very easily. There are many airway companies such as Air India, Pawan Hans Helicopter Limited, etc. One of the major problems is that airways are expensive and not everybody can afford it. Moving on to communication. We have personal communication and mass communication. In personal communication, you have mobile phones, Facebook, Instagram, letters, WhatsApp, emails, etc. In mass communication, we have media, press, films, radio, etc. Now, you should be very proud to say that Indian postal network is one of the largest in the world. It has many services for quick delivery. Rajdhani channel, Metro channel, Green channel, Business channel, Bulk mail channel, and Periodical channel. Next, we look at trade. Exchange of goods is called as trade. And exchange of goods that happen between different countries is called as international trade. Very simple. Let me repeat that again. Exchange of goods is called as trade. And the exchange that happens between different countries is called as international trade. And finally, let's look at tourism. India is famous for tourism. Different types of tourism. People come to India for heritage tourism, ecotourism, business tourism, medical tourism, and adventure tourism.
That's it for today. See you next time. Take care. Thank you very much.